Hi, I'm just trying this to see if it works. So we're going to go through these slides and see what happens. One. See if the little poochies do their thing. Oh yeah, they're doing their thing. All right. And here they go. Nice. Whee! Okay, so it seems to be working. 22% reside on reservations or trust lands, 60% live in urban areas. And what is the health issue? It is diabetes. It's a global health issue. It affects 415 million people worldwide. High mortality rates, 5 million people per year. High healthcare costs, twice as much. Devastating effects, multiple health complications. Next slide. That looks pretty good. I'm going to keep recording a little bit longer. Whee! I love the flyby animations. Whoa, that was exciting. All right, risk factors: unhealthy diet, effects of colonization, food insecurity, government food commodity programs, lack of physical activity. What are the protective factors? Eating a healthier diet, including greater consumption of fruits and vegetables, availability, accessibility, affordability, increased physical activity, including safe spaces to engage in exercise. Diabetes poses a serious health risk to the American Indian population, and it's critical to intervene now. Social determinants of health. Here we go. Here they come. Whee, whee. Right on. And they include environment, culture, socioeconomic conditions, living conditions, education, health literacy, and food pathways. All right. The impact of social determinants of health on fruit and vegetable consumption. Fruit and vegetable consumption, inadequate consumption and diabetes risk, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I'm going to have to cut some of this, and that's going to take extra time, so that's going to be lovely. All right. This is my big-ass long slide: individual, interpersonal, community, organizational, policy. American Indians experience facilitating and inhibiting factors and social inequities and structural bias at all levels, which affect health behaviors and health outcomes. Okay, we're going to stop now.